Hello there guys, this is Resonator88 here and I'm back in with another episode of Satisfactory. Yes guys, Satisfactory. Now, in the last episode, if I remember rightly, I got myself sorted out for my my oil refinery. So, I've got crude oil coming up. Obviously I've sorted it out into a buffer, which then goes into a couple of refineries, which then obviously makes its other resource, the heavy oil, which I've actually got into another refinery to make myself some fuel, so I can now get some fuel made. And I got plenty. So first things first, we're going to get this jetpack bit unlocked. I would redesign it to make it a little bit more effective, considering I really don't have a lot. So let's throw that in there. Boom! We now have access to a
R&D
jetpack.
inflated your pocket dimension and has provided a jetpack, which operates on oil-based fuel for increased navigational capabilities as well as odds of survival.
So, now what I want is the fuel generator and conveyor belt system 4, because that'll make it a lot easier. So we're going to need heavy module frames, which I've got to do through a manufacturer. Computers, which will be done through a manufacturer. Encased industrial beams, I need to sort them out. And obviously rubber, which will be easy enough. Right, so or train, or we can go for the next pipeline, which again we're still going to need that. And we need to go for this next one, which is in the manufacturer. So I'll select that one for now. And first things first, sort out the packages to remake them and unpack them. So obviously it's got to go in two ways. Well, it goes in two ways, I should say, and comes out one. So let's do that and that. I know a few of you be like, well, hold on, you just undone that just to put it all back together. Yes, I know, but for a good reason. Like I say, at the minute, I'm not worried about the whole deal about it. I'm really not. This is just going to so it can move. It can go, it can be gone. And then it goes back out pretty quick. Right, so now I need to do a splitter, just put it there-ish. Throw you there. You go there. Right, so you're gonna unpackage it. In there. Split you so half are in there. Unpackage it. So you're in there. You're in there. Obviously at the minute they're not being powered. Because obviously I need to... Okay, the power line's already sorted that here. Sweet. There we go. So now running, and I will set you back onto there. Not exactly the best design for that bit, but it'll do. So now I'm going to get a load of fuel. Now do I have... I'm going to need that in number 7. Quite a few of them. I'm going to need that in number 8. Alright, so first things first, we want to get one of these fluid pumps back again. You're kidding me, I don't have enough on me? Seriously? How? How do I not have enough of that on me? Should do now for a bit. Right, number 8. Means we have to make more plastic as soon as possible. Dang. Is that going to go in the right spot? Yeah, it should be fine enough. Yeah, that'll be fine. I know a lot of you will be like, well, hold on, what was the point in that? Why? Trust me, it will make quite a bit of sense later on. Right, so I need to do that there. 2 turns. twice. Lift it up. Just gotta be the once. Twice. Twice. Okay. And then you go into you. Right, EU, so it changes you into this type of pipe. Put it about there. Get it again, so then you should just go bang into there. And you'll start filling that up. Which it is pretty much doing, which is awesome. Right, so that's now getting 60, could be 60 per minute. If that numbers stay up pretty high, that's going to be good. If it goes down a bit more, means I might need to make an extra one down there to get more up this end. Technically, you need more being made than actually on package, but I'm not worried about it at the minute. Right, next. Few of these, so I need you to go out that way from the refinery part. Is that going to stick in? Oh, I want it to. Or good. 1, 2, 3. You know what? Plastic, rubber, fine. Right, so the only thing that's going in here at the minute will be, obviously, this fuel source, so I don't need to worry about anything else, thankfully. Put it about there, and that'll connect it there, right, so I need to just get you connected for there. Have you connected for there. Jump over. You to you. You to you. Put you there. No. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So then you'll make plastic, which will make my job a little bit easier. Throw you onto you. Lovely. Right. So I should have quite a bit of fuel still getting used up, which is good. Right, so first things first, I need to sort out my, believe it or not, I'm going to have to sort out my excess. Now what am I doing? I might as well just get there's only 2 machines in it for you, right. So I now need to sort out my, where did I put it? There it is. The 9, so it has to go that way. Yep. Oh, are you even? Better way you are, good. And then you come out. That, right. You come back over to I'm really not going to care about that being a bit out of the way. So that is now my rubber. So that rubber should be processing a bit quicker and a lot more effectively, which it is. Obviously plastic is building up very slowly, very nicely on the ad. So I need my plastic to come over this way. Sure, right. Now I need to make sure this lot all goes into a new buffer, which I might be able to fit in here, which I actually can't fit in. I was hoping I could fit the other buffer in here. That's not going to happen. Okay, change of a plan. input buffer. We'll fit it hopefully in this little. I'm hoping I can fit it into the gap here. Found it. In fact, anything awesome. Right, so now everything is going to be a slight problem. I say slight, I mean slight. Right, first things first, I need to sort this one out, don't I? Yes, I do. Technically, I just need them. This is going to be a slight problem, isn't it? Yep. This time, I'm pretty sure I'm going to need a pump now. Both of these to actually move this from there into this a bit easier, unless this actually fills up pretty quick. Oh wow, that is actually filling up pretty nicely. Maybe I don't need to worry about a pump. Now usually with this, because it is actually at an incline, it actually usually needs to fill up. Well, it needs a pump. I'm actually surprised this doesn't need a pump, so this is actually moving pretty well. How much oil is going in? Not enough, so I'm gonna need another oil machine. Right, production, let's have a look. Computer chips, right. It's going to take 30 plastic and so many sheets. Well, first things first, how much plastic am I getting out of this thing, firstly? 20 plastic per minute. Which technically means I only need the one of these. Okay. No, too short on that side. I need to do that, connect it to there. Jeez, right. How close am I going to need it that side? I think it's... Okay, that's where the wall is. So let's just put this back up here. So now I need to do... Yeah, this is always the awkward part, guys. This is just... Once this is sorted out, it's absolutely fine. Is it even in it? That is on that. It is on that one. Okay, awesome. Then I need to leave myself a little gap before... Bit. So now them sheets are coming over here. Should be better for the assembler. If I put one in. Here-ish. Should just work. Doesn't really like that spot, does it? No. about there. It'll be fine. Right, so. Plastic, that one. Dang it, I'm going to have to move this in a weird way, aren't I? Oh, you know what, just throw it in. I really couldn't care. Right. I can, but it's just whether I really don't want to have to figure it out. Right. As soon as we've got this, I might as well put this somewhere more useful for it. Now, technically I could connect this power over there, but at the minute I really don't want to, so I'm going to connect this power. I can jump over. I need to put it next to this. See how to connect it. I need to. Ready? I have to come all the way down here to connect this. Yeah, that's the one. There we go. Right, so now this will be making circuit boards. Yay! Right, so now if I get another plastic, what I'll do is I'll put another assembler, probably up here. So now all I need to do is put a splitter down there. Well, a splitter there, which will come up and over. And that'll be it, and then I can just get these connected somewhere. So for now, while that is doing its thing, I'm going to put a storage. I'll put an industrial storage around here. Put about there. And we'll have it processing pretty. Seriously? It's fine. Yep, it'll be fine with it. It's fine with it. It's fine with it. It's not actually in this spot. I'd have to move it back this way a bit more. And then I'll just rearrange that bit. But yes, we finally got computer chips making. Huzzah. One challenge down. Well, technically, I'm going to need more computer chips than that. I'm going to need a lot more computer chips. It's just that the plastic's just going to go at the right speed, so copper wires. If I had another plastic thing, I'd be fine, but again, I'm not sure how much fuel this will get entirely. So again, I might need to make another packaging plant. This is, from what I know, this is going pretty quick for them. She's still got 2 in, so. Oh, what? That's not. That can't be true. Come on. Really? No, well, I've got to make. I'm going to need to make another one. Just so this is a little bit faster. I don't believe this. That means them belts are going to have to be even faster to keep. I'll figure that bit out. If I have to readjust on any of these bits, I will later on, guys. So that's now making up. So, next question is, what am I going to do with this excess? This resin. Now, I could do it so it makes fuel, which is why we're going to be learning the extended power system, so we can actually have this fuel for a later date. So this should, in theory, be able to fill up, if I'm making enough, fill up at least, well, it will definitely fill up 1, but if I make it go into 2, I can have 2 lots of fuel and then fill one of these fluid buffers. I don't need to make more canisters. I can do if I need to. Right, so if I do this, I'll need to put 1, 2 there. Gotta figure this out quickly. I say quickly. I'm just going to try and figure this out at the same time. Right, if I put in. See, that's near the stairs now. Well, technically nothing's going into that one, it's just the pipes I've got to worry about. Right, so that's it. And then it's just pipes that are coming out. So could I take this back a little bit more then? No. Pipes in, pipes out. Okay. This way so we go, saying she can get all about. No, it's not that type of song, guys. Right, so turn it twice. Just twice there. Nope. That's off. That is off. And what am I doing? Why don't I just do this instead? It'll be a bit easier. There we go. That should be a lot better. Yep, that is. Right. Doing it again. There. Do that. And goes into there. So this is going to turn to fuel. Awesome job. Which obviously, because that's been building up a bit, it'll make fuel now. Now, see, my rubber's going out a bit faster than what it did before. I say a bit, probably not, but still getting quite a bit made, so it should fill that up a bit quicker. A bit, not a tons quicker, but it should get that filled up a bit easier. Right, so now I've got that, I now need to put in a new fluid buffer. And I can't fit it there, and I can't fit it in there. God dang it. Right, so technically I'm going to need to fit it in there-ish. That'll do. So I'm going to need to do a number. Right, let's do this. Just turn it twice. Right. Turn. Just twice. Up in the air a bit. You. Just get rid of them 2 bits. 6 to E. 3 to you. Do another number 6. Let's just put you in about there by 1. 3 U to you. And there we go. And it's filling up with fuel, which is filling that up awesomely. Obviously there's no byproducts, see that's pretty much staying on top at the minute till that starts to go down, but because obviously I've got plastic going at the same time, that's the reason why it's filling up quite a bit quicker, because plastic actually does a bit, is it plastic or is it rubber that does more? 20. No, plastic does 10. Okay. So it's not filling up a bit quicker, but it's there, it's going, it's getting done. So technically it's going to do 20 per minute, so it's just a bit out of the way. I could actually up that with probably the power, but I'm not worrying about it in a minute. So that is our circuit boards. Jeez, I need to get some computers. So that's going to need copper wire. I mean cable. So the cable. Let's get a jetpack, mate. I can't believe I'm making a jetpack. Yay! Oh, I can only have the jet. Okay, so how does this get used? Oh, okay, so it's the spacebar to. Oh, wow. Okay, what we need to do is see how much this could save you from falling. I wish I could have the blade runners on as well, because oh man, if I fall down there, it's going to take a bit of time to get back up. No, Geronimo! Oh, when do I apply? When do I apply? Now! Oh! Okay, that's not actually a bad thing. Right, let's see. It can't really get me to where I need to go. I have no idea. Because technically I need the blade runners to get over there a bit easier. I've got no real way of getting back, though. I don't know, why don't I just try and make it to that bit? Because I could have just easily used the... I'm an idiot. Okay, you can do quite a distance. Wow. That is awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that's jetpack, but I prefer using that at the minute. So, finally we've got the jetpack, which is actually pretty useful. It's going to save me a bit of time, well, quite a bit of time, I should say. And at least we've got quite a few things actually made up today. I finally got another assembler, so we're making computers. Circuit boards, I mean. Computers. We're making circuit boards! Almost finally got 500. 100, 200, 300. Got 400 so far, so only another 100 to go. And then we can start trying to make the next one. Which, unfortunately, as you guys have seen, it takes quite a load of different parts. So, having these circuit boards get made up and stocked is going to be one thing. I'm obviously going to need to sort myself out with the packaging plant a bit more for the oil. I really need to get that steel work done, don't I? Especially considering I need computer chips, I need the steel wire, I need the frames, it's a lot of stuff I need to get made up. Just for, well, at least it's a 2 for 2, so it's not too bad. And I need a assembler to make them better frames, so yeah. At least I've got part of this area done already. I guess, kind of, sort of, ish. I don't know. We'll get some extra fuel stored up anyway. Yeah, guys, it's a lot of work. Anyway, I'm going to call that it for the episode because I got the jetpack and I got a few things made up. Like I said, I've got a circuit board making. Now I just need the rest of the stuff to be making. Help! So I can throw that in there for now, so I don't need them on me. And I'll throw the plastic in there as well, so speed up the process for a little bit. But yeah, like I say, it's going to take a bit of time to get this all running properly. Especially for me, it is really going to take a bit of time. I know some people are probably going to say, why don't I make resin and then do the rest with water? And yeah, there's no real access to water where I'm at, unless I go down that way. So either down here or I go to where the coal plant is, but that means I'd have to run it all the way from where I'm at, all the way down to the coal plant, which is, if I remember rightly, my coal plant's around here. So it's quite a bit of distance to go, considering I think I've got my oils there, and it's had to go all the way to here so far. You can see that's where my space elevator is, which is where I'm at. That's where the HUD is on the hill, and obviously that is down there. Is where around here is where my coal plant is. And obviously my other coal plant's here. And I'm pretty good at reading the map. But yeah, it's going to be a heck of a trek to do all this. It really is. If I found iron close by, I would have just sorted it out all over there, and got things done. But I'll get things working and more organised and sorted at some point, guys. Don't worry. Like I said, I've got the. Oh no, I've done this still. It's just I've got to get my limestone back up and running because I've not had that running for a while now, for a good couple of episodes. Or half the series. What episode was it? Episode 5 I redesigned this, didn't I? And this is what now, episode 15, 16? I can't remember, to be honest. And this limestone has not gone anywhere. It's literally just sat there this whole time. since the whole redesign of the episode. But yeah, that's my, obviously you can see that's my coal plant there, coal plant over there. Obviously my oil refinery is all the way over there, so unless there was oil closer by, let's do a quick scan with some oil. Unless there's some oil over straight in front of me, right down there, which there isn't. There's some down in that area, but it's impure and normal. Yeah, we're using that one. It's a pretty far distance. I could use, like I said, the closer one, but it's impure, and it means twice as much work for it. I really don't want to do twice as much work. It's not fun. But yeah, guys, hopefully you've enjoyed. If you did, please do hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please just subscribe, especially if you keep coming back for more content. As you guys have noticed, I have done a few live streams of this with obviously Alec Walt and Cyber Unicorn. So the links will be in the description. Obviously, it's been in the description throughout the series. Like I said, I've done a few, or quite a lot. I'm not sure how many live streams of Satisfactory I've done with them. I know I did one on New Year's Eve. Quite a few of you were there for the chat and have enjoyed it so far and been watching it. So thank you guys so very much. I know, obviously, when I first off the series and the game, especially this game, it is a grindy game. So I know you don't all like to watch the whole grindy parts of it, but unfortunately it is part of the game. But hopefully you've enjoyed it, how I've got the editing done, and hopefully you enjoy what I am doing for the series. Anyway, I'll let you all get off, let you all enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you back for some more Satisfactory, so hopefully you guys will be satisfied. Later on, guys, see yourselves and enjoy.